Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to Crystal's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a sausage pepper dish, guys, that you bake in the oven at 350 degrees until your potatoes are stick a fork through ready. And with this vlog, you're going to need lots of ingredients. So I'm going to go over that first before we even start it. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, your first ingredient. You're going to need 5 pounds or less, depending upon how many people you are feeding, of potatoes. You are going to actually peel and chunk these potatoes, and I will show you how to do that in just a minute. The next thing you will also need while you're peeling potatoes, you want to go ahead and fry yourself up some mild pork sausage. Kind of breakfast sausage, guys, but just get the mild. Don't get maple or anything like that added to it. So you're going to need 2 of these if you're making a dish big enough for 4. Then you're also going to need to add, after you get it all going and you need to mix it together, you're going to chop up an onion and dice it up nice and juicy. You're going to add in some crushed, red peppers, some garlic, some salt, and some pepper. Or you could also use, instead of garlic powder, you're going to use some minced garlic. And this is what we're going to use today, guys. And just a little dab will do ya. Then when you get all that ready to go, before you add the pork sausage, you're going to add 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup to your potatoes. You're going to stick it in the oven at 350 degrees, and you're going to let it bake for about a half hour. So your potatoes are fork ready. So that means when you stick your fork in, they are A-okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull that out. After your sausage is nice and brown, you are going to go ahead and you're going to add your sausage to your potatoes, and you're going to mix. Once that mixes up, you are going to go ahead and add the last ingredient. This mild, sharp cheddar cheese, guys. And you mix all that up together, and voila, put it back in the oven, cook it for an additional 20 minutes till the cheese is melted, and it's going to come out oh so good. So let's get to cooking. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and I diced up our lovely chunks of potatoes. Just into some chunks, I added some fresh red onion. I did add my spices, the pepper, the salt, the minced garlic. I put a little bit of butter in here, as you can see, and I added some oil. That's how I'm going to cook these potatoes for the beginning. And then if we can pan over here to the strainer, I went ahead and browned off my mild sausages. And we're going to go ahead and add this in with this. And we are going to let it cook for about a half hour. We're going to come back and check that out and just see where we're at. Alrighty guys, I took it out of the oven. We're going to give it a stir here. Now, I did bake it with a lid on. We're going to give it our fork poke with the potatoes. Do they go in? Let's see. Oh, yeah. And if you're not sure, give a few of them a poke because, like, see, that one was a little hard. Pokey. That was pretty good. It split it right in half. So now that this is all done, now it's time to add the cheese. Alrighty guys, so I used about 4 cups, 1 pound of sharp cheddar cheese. I put a little bit in first, mixed it all up, sprinkled a fine layer on top. We are going to bake this until it just melts, and then we will be good to eat. See you in a few. Ooh, guys, check that out. Ooh, so good.
Oh, they actually had a practice?
Are you ready to dig in? Because I know we are. Alrighty, guys. There you have it. Potato sausage casserole. We will get it here in a minute. First-hand look of how it tastes. We'll ask a visitor.
No.
And we'll see what she thinks about it. Give us a minute. All right, Miss O, tell YouTube world, what did you think about this dish?
It's pretty good. I've had it before, so.
Do you recommend it?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Guys, there you have it from Miss O. She recommends it. And we will see you guys on the next vlog. Alrighty, guys. So, if you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any more of these awesome cooking vlogs. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching and enjoy your evening. Bye.